Hello, welcome to my channel.
Okay. Walking through big day sumo. Pull a nigga card like Uno. Flip a nigga shit like judo. You niggas.
Yeah, if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching or leave.
I would leave.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
I think we need music. I should have skipped the ad before I sat down. I didn't do that. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. Only logical. I don't know why, but this song has just been in my head, and if I don't play it, it will be in my head for like weeks. I just focus on making them even more than anything. It's like the markings of how I want them to look. Like that. When I feel like my eyebrows are like decent, and I actually don't even know what this is, but like I got it from Burlington and I lost the top, but it's this thing, concealer, you know. The people up there, you vacuum. What is this? Like 5 times a day. Like So I got this, the Color Workshop. It's like a little kid palette. I don't even know where I got this. It's so old. I really like purple. And just pack that. Just for like the base.
Here's my life.
I don't have a life because I'm a loser and I kind of hide myself away into my room, so like I'm not a social person. That's a sad life, man. Now I'm going to take a really matte, loose, deep purple. Pack that. I legit, like, everything I do, I fail at. Like, a tube, and it like doesn't have a label or anything. The struggle is real. Do another layer. And I'm gonna go in. And I'm gonna take this gold sparkle. Because the sparkle is better. I just wanted a base, something for it to stick to. Looking okay. I'm gonna put that purple underneath. I'm just gonna
Fuck everything, I'm gone. Leave it alone. Every time I get so close and it all gets blown. Don't.
I'm gonna take Glamiflage hard candy and yeah.
Girl, she texting me them broken hearts, just say what's on your mind. Girl, I see them 3 dots for 3 minutes. Go ahead and dark type girls, independent. Don't need no nigga, keep on it. I swear you only hit me after my shows.
So I'm just gonna draw 3. I'm sorry, I am torturing you guys. I need to stop.
Do my foundation.
Why do I say it like that? Foundation? Use Maybelline Dream Mousse. Beating this foundation into my skin. I'm gonna do it really fast so I don't look like a my phone died. So I didn't really do anything, I just put my lashes on.
I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home.
But I'm wanting to do powder, contour, and highlight. Then eyeliner, lips.
Check my bankroll, AO 400K for vehicle. Paint job look like ashy ankles on Django. Interior look mango. Shotgun grape, he look like mayo. Golden voice on
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I can't dance, but I still dance anyways. But like, I'm like the most uncoordinated person on this planet. This is Elf. I just kind of tap that in. Maybelline Strobe Master Strobing Liquid. I like to use the liquid highlighter and then go over it with like a powder.
And you come out.
Even. Like that. Start building it up back in here. Highlight.
Straight in your bitch. I need a check. I'm teacher pet. She wanna fuck. I wanna lick. Make screen phone. Make it rain. Make it stone. Couldn't look at me like God. New bitch bad and fuck. Little nigga back it up. Phone added up. New coupe I passion. I can get your SWAG.
Buff it out. And then I'm going to take this purple and put it in the corner. So I'm going to do a matte purple. I'm going to use NYX, and this is red. And if you get it on your teeth, you get extra points. I'm finally done. Yeah, so my hair is still like wet and crap, but this is the look.
Until I pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Until I pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Until I pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Until I pull up.